sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows just your mind. So mama.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I am doing great myself. If this is your first time clicking on my video, if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, you're welcome. My name is Gilly. Do not leave without hitting the subscribe button. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and for your support. I see you. In today's video, I want to talk about skin diseases, skin infection. If you have eczema, if you have rashes on your body, even if it's baby diaper rash, say goodbye. You don't need to get medication from the pharmacy. You don't need to get medicine from the pharmacy. I'll just show you a very simple home remedy that will get rid of eczema, that will get rid of ringworms, will get rid of rashes, will get rid of diaper rashes. Any skin infection that you feel like if you see something on your body and you're not comfortable, you don't know what that is, just use it. It is going to get rid of it immediately. What I'm sharing with you today is not something I just want to fantasize on it. It's something that I've tried it and it's working. It's tried and tested. This is something that is my other sister who told me about it, and she sent me this thing, and when I use it, it worked like magic. Like, it is very good. You don't get any medication in the pharmacy. If you have acne, whatever skin infection that you think you have, guys, you just mix these things and use it. Now let me show you what that is. This is sulfur. It is called Yellowstone. This is because it's like this because it's they grind it. Okay, this one came all the way from Cameroon. My sister sent it to me. This is sulfur. So this sulfur, all you need is just a carrier oil to mix it. You need the oil to mix it. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use pumpkin oil, pumpkin seed oil. All right, you can use, that's eluaki or manyanga. You can use it, any carrier oil that you have. If it is avocado oil, you can use it as well. In today's video, I'm going to be using eluaki because I have eluaki, so I'll be using eluaki to show you. And I have this particular thing, the mixture. I already mixed a little bit and I kept it somewhere at home. Whenever I feel like there's any rashes coming out from my baby's bum, I'll just take that oil and rub it on it. If I see anything funny on my face, any rashes, heat rashes and all that stuff, I'll just apply on my face. All right, so it goes for anybody, for children and adults. All right, so I have this sulfur and I have my eluaki here with me. Okay, and you just need a container, extra container. All right, so I'm going to be using a small container because I already have this thing at home. So all I'm doing is just for the video to show you guys. So the demonstration, you can mix a large quantity, you can mix very small quantity, but I'll just recommend you mixing a very small quantity. Like something like this should be okay because it's not something that you rub on your body every day. You only rub it when the need arises. All right, so what you need is just putting a small quantity of this into this. That should be fine. You don't need a lot, guys, just a small quantity. And of course the oil that you're putting you have to put enough oil. Okay, that should be fine. You can close it and stir it. So this thing right here, it's good to keep it for at least 1 to 2 days so that the sulfur is going to infuse. But you can see it's already mixed because it's grind. You see the color has changed. You can even use it immediately, because once you put in the sulfur, the color will just change. Okay, you can either leave it to stay for 1 day, so you make sure that you have everything infused into the oil, or you can use it immediately. So use it only when the need arises. Don't use it every day on your babies. All right, when you feel on your baby or on your body, when you feel that you have like eczema or ringworm or any rashes or acne, anything that has to do with your skin that is topical, that is a topical cream. All right, apply it on your body. All right, just apply it, and that is it. You don't need to go to the pharmacy. This thing is very cheap, although it's ordered from Cameroon. But guys, it can last, this one can last me for 1 year. More than, I'm saying 1 year, that's if I'm using it all the time. It can even go to 2 years. And it's just, you can, let's say you use like 100 naira or 100 francs CFA to get this thing, and all your skin problems are bam, vanish. And you don't need to go to the pharmacy every time to get antifungal or anti this one or this medicine or antibiotics or that to put on your body. If you have this and you have any oil at home, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. So guys, when I tell you that I love this thing, I love it so much, because whenever I feel like I've never bought anything for my baby's bumper, even I have diaper rash at home, I've not even touched it, I've not used it, because I'm using this. Whenever I feel like it's a bit of tan, I just apply. The next day, pam, I'm telling you, it disappears. My face, guys, if I feel like there's any heat rashes or anything, I just take a little bit and I apply it on my face, pam, and that's it, it's gone. So if there's any way you can lay your hands on this sulfur, it is called Yellowstone or sulfur. If you can get this in a powder form, or it comes actually like a stone, like you know, like stone, right? Like a hard stone. It comes in the form of a stone or in the form of a powder. I got it in the form of a powder. If you have the stone one, make sure to put it somewhere and grind it so it becomes very smooth before you use it. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to come here and share you guys this little secret, and I hope that is going to help you guys. Do not forget to share this video. Share. It is absolutely free, and it's very important that you share, because it's going to help a lot of souls. And if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below the video to let me know what you think. Okay, and of course guys, I will see you in my next video. To have a great day.